Let's dive into the term 外出, which you'll often hear during conversations about daily routines or plans outside the home. The word 外出 means going out or leaving one's home or office to go somewhere. It usually implies going outdoors temporarily for activities like shopping, visiting, or commuting. The first kanji means outside or foreign, so it gives the sense of being beyond or external. For example, 外国 uses that outside, foreign sense to mean a country that is outside your own. Another word is 外側, where the kanji keeps the image of the outer side or exterior. The second kanji means to go out or to come out, and it adds the idea of movement or emergence. For example, 出口 combines that leaving or exit idea to mark a way out, and 出発 uses it to mean starting a journey or departure. I am going out. 私は外出します。私は外出します。I have plans to go out tomorrow. 明日の外出の予定があります。明日の外出の予定があります。When going out, say goodbye. 外出の時、挨拶します。外出の時、挨拶します。He mentioned the reason for going out. 彼は外出の理由を言いました。彼は外出の理由を言いました。The most common synonym of the word 外出 is 外出先, indicating a specific destination when going out, while 外出 is more general, referring broadly to the act of stepping out. 外出先 focuses specifically on where you are heading. The most common antonym of the word 外出 is 在宅, which means staying at home. While 外出 indicates leaving home for any number of reasons, 在宅 emphasizes remaining indoors.